In this question, it's important to read very carefully and make sure we understand what the question is asking us to calculate. We're going to start out with a solution of cobalt-3 nitrate. And then we take 4 milliliters of that solution and dilute it to 300 milliliters. The question asks us how many grams of nitrate ions are in the final solution. It's important to note that it's asking about grams, not concentration. So really all we need to do is to find out how many grams of nitrate ions are in 4 milliliters of the initial solution. We're starting with a solution that has 4.00 grams of cobalt-3 nitrate in 100 milliliters, or 0.100 liters. We want to know how many moles per liter that is of cobalt-3 nitrate, so we can divide by the formula weight. And then we can relate that to concentration of nitrate, because every mole of cobalt-3 nitrate is going to give us 3 moles of nitrate ions. Now, thus far, all of this takes us to the concentration of nitrate ions per liter. Now we can find the moles of our nitrate ion by multiplying the concentration of our nitrate ion times the number of liters we are going to use. Now again, it doesn't matter what the volume is that we dilute this final solution to. All we're concerned about is how many grams there are in 4 milliliters of this initial solution. So this is 0.00400 liters. Okay, if we sanity check our units here, we have grams of cobalt-3 nitrate, moles of cobalt-3 nitrate, liters all cancel out. So all of this calculation set up so far gets us to moles of the nitrate ion. So now we can simply multiply by the mass of 1 unit of nitrate, or 1 mole of nitrate units. And that's 62.01 grams. All right, so our final answer comes out to be 0.121509 grams. Finally, let's look at our sig figs. 3 and 3. This has 5. This is exact, so it doesn't impact sig figs. Here's also 3, and 4. So we are limited to 3 sig figs. We have 0.122 grams as our final answer.